Hi, I'm Dee with Brown Girls Trade 2. I want to talk with you about ways to save and to grow your money. There are many ways to do it, so let's cover a few. I've heard people say they are doing the envelope challenge, or a more recent term, cash stuffing. This is where they are literally putting sums of money into envelopes for specific events or expenses. I love that it gets people thinking about budgeting and saving. My issues with it are that it doesn't allow your money to make money, and that there are safety issues such as fire, theft, and loss that are a concern as well. Budgeting makes you mindful of the money that you have and will help you change your relationship with money. Budgeting also doesn't allow you to grow your money. So we talked a little bit about budgeting. Next up is savings accounts. Savings accounts typically offer low interest rates, ranging from 0.01%, yes, I said 0.01%, with the big banks like Chase, Bank of America, and Citibank, to as much as say 4% to 4.25% with high interest online savings accounts like Capital One, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and Ally. These interest rates result in small percentage gains with the big banks and slightly more with the high interest online savings accounts. Saving is a great habit and practice for life's emergencies. It's important to understand that you can't save your way to being wealthy. You have to invest. Now, with that being said, we move on to the benefit of investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market offers higher percentage gains. The stock market averages between 8 to 10% annually. However, investing in the stock market can come with greater risk and volatility. Investing allows compound interest to work in your favor and create wealth over time. There are some barriers to entry for investing. One of the main barriers is having the money to do it, having the time horizon to do it, and having the education to do it successfully. One of my favorite ways to grow your money is through trading stock options. Trading options can offer even higher percentage gains, with some traders reporting returns of over 100% in a short amount of time. I have on many occasions had outsized gains while trading stock options. I did have to educate myself. I didn't just start doing that out the gate, before I became consistent, right? As a matter of fact, Friday I traded very well, so I made a cute little video to recap my trading. Click the link above to check it out. I think you'll like it. Now, honestly, if I had known sooner that I could generate a greater than 100% return in a matter of minutes, I would have started trading stock options a lot sooner than I actually did. Trading options has a lower barrier cost to entry. I'll give you an example. So it allows you to be able to control 100 shares of a stock within one contract. As an example, say you wanted to purchase 100 shares of Apple stock today. To do that, you would have to spend $15,765 to do so. But if you wanted to control 100 shares of Apple stock, you could do that for as little as $140 to $580. That's a huge difference. I mentioned that investing in the stock market averages 10% gains annually, but if it is possible to beat the market in a matter of minutes versus a full year, I think it's something everyone should consider doing. It's a rinse and repeat tactic to beat the market and to recover some of the losses that your long-term investing portfolio may be experiencing in this down market. I will admit that options trading is also high risk and requires a deep understanding of the market and trading strategies, but there's enough good information and good teachers out there to get the education you need to successfully trade stock options. I'm one of them, by the way. Overall, while savings accounts offer low risk, low reward gains, the stock market and trading options offer higher potential gains but come with greater risk. Either way, to develop good money habits and grow your wealth over time, Each of them have a place in your overall wealth building strategy. I hope that you found some value in this video and consider liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I'll be sure to get back to you. And by the way, hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I make a video. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.